Hello, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the February 2020 Petit Vour Plus box. Petit Vour is a monthly subscription box focused on cruelty-free beauty. They have two subscription options. First is the Petit Vour Beauty Box, which is $18 for about 4 items. They also have the Plus Box, which is about $25 for 5 to 7 items. Today I'll be reviewing a Plus Box, but if you're interested in seeing the regular beauty box, I'll put some links to my other reviews below. I'm so excited because this just arrived like an hour ago. I actually have no idea what's inside. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright, so as usual, they have this beautiful printed box. I love how in Petit Vour all of the packaging is eco-friendly and recyclable. First we've got this nice little product card here. On the back they tell you what everything is in the box and how much it costs and how to use it. First we have a Formulary 55 Rose Hip and Clay Facial Mask. They say this is a pink clay facial mask that's gentle and helps to remove toxins without over drying. I'm opening it up because I'm curious to see like if it's a packet or a sheet mask or what. Okay, it looks like inside it's actually a packet of clay. So you mix this with water to make a paste. I think this is a really fantastic idea because it means they don't have to use preservatives and other things. You make the clay yourself, and so this is a lot more shelf stable. It says on the package that you can use half of this at a time, so you'd have 2 facial masks. You can also use all of it at once as sort of an exfoliation mask. This normally retails for about $8 and is suitable for all skin types. I think this is definitely something that I'll use. It seems very gentle and I do enjoy using clay masks. The ones I've used in the past have been more of that kind of gray color clay, so I'm excited to try one that is pink clay. Next we have the Kahina Giving Beauty Oil Cleanser. Before I started doing YouTube, I didn't wear as much foundation, so I didn't really need oil cleansers. But now that I have some foundations that are more heavy duty, I feel like an oil cleanser is a really great step to help remove all that extra kind of gunky makeup. They say that this one has blue tansy oil in it. It looks like it's sort of a yellow color. It has a really nice scent to it, kind of floral. When I rub it on the skin, it seems to be really nice and hydrating. The smell is so nice. I don't know what it is exactly. It's kind of like a florally herbally scent, but I really like it. They say it's neroli and geranium essential oils. And this sample size retails for about $10, where the full size is around $59. Next we have the French Girl Lait de Rose Polishing Wash. It looks like this is a powdered face wash that also works as an exfoliant. I actually got one of these before and I haven't tried it yet. It is something that I'm interested in, it just wasn't like super high on my list of things I need right now. I do really like the ingredients and I heard really good things about this brand, so I think I'll definitely be trying it. They say this retails for about $15. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a really finely milled powder. It seems like it'll be a really nice sort of exfoliating face wash. They say the value of this is about $15. I don't know if it's something I'd buy on my own, especially at that kind of price, but it's fun to be able to try something new like this. If you've been enjoying this video, please like and consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Yay, we finally have a makeup product. This is the Harvest Beauty Lengthening Organic Mascara. Apparently this retails for around $18 and is great for sensitive eyes. It's got one of those packages that's so hard to get into. It's like they're really tight. Ugh, how I hate these. They take me like forever to get off. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So here's how the brush looks. It seems to be kind of a spiral shaped sort of tapered brush. This is a beautiful black color. It seems to be kind of a creamy formula. I'm not going to put it on right now because I'd have to redo my whole eye makeup, but I'm excited to try this one out. I really love seeing makeup in general, but especially mascara in my Petit Vour boxes. I'm always on the hunt for great organic and natural mascaras, and it gets really expensive to just buy from random companies to try them on your own. So I'm really happy to see this in my Petit Vour box this month, and it's definitely something I'll be trying out soon. Next we have the Ear NYC Tough Love Cuticle Balm. They say it's a hydrating balm with antifungal and antiseptic properties and made with neem oil. They recommend using it on rough skin patches and it retails for around $12. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out on my hand. It definitely has a nice scent to it. According to the back, it's lavender, palmarosa, and geranium essential oils, but it definitely has kind of a floral herbally scent. This melts really easily as soon as you touch it. It looks like it has a coconut oil and shea butter base. It absorbs quickly into the skin and doesn't seem to leave an oily residue or anything behind. This seems like a nice kind of general purpose skin balm. I don't think you have to limit it to your cuticles. So I think this is definitely something I'll be trying out, especially sort of on my elbows or other kind of rough patches on my skin. Next we have the Lauren B Nail Growth Serum. This is a very high value item. Apparently it retails for $75. They say that this helps heal fragile nails and helps them grow stronger and glossier than ever. It looks like it has sort of a brush-on applicator and is a serum. I'm actually pretty happy with my nails. I don't think that this is something that I personally will use. I might give it away to someone or just kind of keep it on hand for a giveaway. I feel like Petit Vour boxes almost always have one sort of random thing like this. Like one time it was a scar gel, this time it's a nail growth serum. They're often targeted to like very specific concerns and they're not things that I like marked in my survey. So I don't know if it's just part of like their partnership deals or what. But ultimately I am happy that they're supporting cruelty-free companies. And I think this is something that I could definitely find a home for. Last but not least, we have this adorable little Be Kind Skincare Sensitive Skin Face Scrub. Apparently this is a $9 value and the full size costs around $25. I love the sound of this. They say it's a hibiscus and cranberry seeds face scrub. It's supposed to exfoliate and leave your skin moisturized at the same time. It's got a little safety seal on here, so let's check it out. It has a nice sort of deep plum color. I can definitely feel some exfoliating particles in it when I rub it. It has a bit of a nice kind of light floral scent to it. I think they said it was geranium flower. I do like using exfoliants, so I think this is definitely something I'll be trying out. I'm a little surprised at how expensive it is, but it seems like it has really high quality ingredients, so it kind of makes sense. Just to summarize, I got 7 different items this month. 4 of them were full size, including the face mask, nail growth serum, mascara, and cuticle balm. 3 of them were trial size, including this oil cleanser, this polishing face wash, and this face scrub. We had 1 makeup item, which was this mascara. 2 body care items, including the nail growth serum and the cuticle balm. And then 4 different skincare items, including this face mask, polishing face wash, oil cleanser, and face scrub. I felt like there was quite emphasis on skincare and body care in this box. I would have loved to see more makeup, but I kind of feel like I'm always asking that from Petit Vour. I felt like it was a pretty good value this month. I'm not sure how many more skincare items I need at this point. I'm kind of reaching a point of saturation. So I'm kind of hoping that they'll start sending me more makeup soon because I really love playing around with color cosmetics. Overall, I'm really glad that Petit Vour has this beauty box. I really love supporting cruelty-free companies and I'm glad I get to try so many different ones through this Petit Vour box. So that's it for this month's box. If you'd like to see more Petit Vour boxes, I will link my other Petit Vour videos down below. Also, all the makeup I'm wearing is cruelty-free and I will link that tutorial video below as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear if there are any products you'd like to try from this box or something you recommend instead. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.